The real culprit behind rising electricity bills in 2026 might surprise you. AI is quietly driving massive energy demand through data centers, powering every search, chatbot, and automation. These data centers never stop working. They require constant computing power and cooling. That increases global electricity demand, and over time, utility prices rise for everyone. So even if you are not using AI heavily, you are still part of its energy footprint. But here's the real question nobody is asking. If demand keeps rising, can the grid even keep up? And more importantly, who controls your electricity cost in the long run? This is where things are changing. Homes are now moving towards solar plus smart energy systems. That means you can generate your own power, reduce dependency on rising grid rates, store energy for peak hours. Would you rather keep paying rising bills or control your own energy cost? And next, I'll reveal something most people are not ready for: why the power grid is quietly becoming the biggest risk to your electricity bills. Stay tuned. Switch to solarSME for smarter energy solutions.